Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up two-factor authentication on SoFi. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom side of the screen, we have the Discover, we have the watch list, we have the account, we have the invest, orders, and in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up two-factor authentication on SoFi. So first of all, you need to go and log into your SoFi account. So use your username and password to access your account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then navigate to the settings or preferences section of your account. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. This is usually labeled as opt-in two-factor authentication or something similar. Then enter your mobile phone number where you receive the verification codes. You will receive a code on your mobile phone. Enter this code to complete the setup. Once enabled, you will need to enter a verification code sent to your phone each time you log in, adding an extra layer of security to your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.